Yamaha Niken GT, 2019 on review. 3-wheel sports tourer. The Yamaha Niken will never appeal to everybody, however with the additions the GT model brings it does make a bit more sense as a sports tourer. The security the extra wheel gives you in a straight line suits motorway miles, and when you get to unfamiliar winding roads the same extra wheel does bring a lovely feeling of front-end control, so it certainly works better as a sports tourer. But while the GT modifications make it more comfortable, the panniers are disappointingly cheap feeling and it lacks any useful cubby holes, making its GT premise feel a bit like an afterthought. Ride quality and brakes. Riding a Niken is a strange sensation and it does take some getting used to. The front end with its extra wheel feels like it glides into bends, and once you start to trust the sensation it is remarkable just how much confidence it gives you, especially in changeable conditions. Corner angle is somewhat limited, 45 degrees, and it doesn't take much effort for your toes to touch down on roundabouts, but that's more a result of the confidence the front delivers rather than an inherent lack of ground clearance, and it won't worry most owners. Engine. The triple motor is effectively the same as the MT-09's unit, however the Niken's crank has 18% more inertia as well as revised fuel maps. The issue is that while in the MT/Tracer/XSR ranges the triple makes for a spirited performer, the Niken is lugging around an extra 50 kilograms of weight. A Tracer GT is 215 kilograms, the Niken GT is 267 kilograms, and that does make it feel more lethargic. Reliability and build quality. The Niken appears very well built and the triple motor is a solid unit, however the panniers are a disappointment in terms of quality. While it is hard to criticize the practicality of the GT's 25-liter cases, on a 15,000-pound bike they do feel a little cheap. Their semi-soft construction means they are nice and light to carry, but they lack a proper lock and you secure them via a small padlock that links the two zips together, which won't deter many thieves. Value versus rivals. The Niken is a premium product and despite sharing so many components with the Tracer 900 GT, it costs nearly £4,000 more. That's a lot of money for an extra wheel and doubled-up suspension. There again, it is a truly unique machine and prices for a large sports tourer such as the BMW R1250 RT are in the same region. It's not great value like the rest Yamaha's triple range, but exclusivity always costs a premium. Equipment. The GT comes with two 25-liter semi-soft panniers, heated grips, a taller screen, comfort seat, an extra 12V socket, center stand and a dedicated finish to add to the Niken's base of an LCD dash, traction control, quickshifter, cruise control, slipper clutch and fully adjustable shock. And an extra wheel and set of forks. The 2020 Yamaha Niken GT is available in two colors, blue or gray, and neither costs extra on top of the £15,502 list price. Specs. Engine size 847 cubic centimeters. Engine type liquid-cooled, 12-valve triple. Frame type steel aluminium hybrid. Fuel capacity 18 liters. Seat height 820 millimeters. Bike weight 267 kilograms. Front suspension double inverted forks, adjustable rebound and compression. Rear suspension monoshock, fully adjustable. Front brake 2x298 mm discs with four-piston radial calipers. Rear brake 282 mm single disc with two-piston caliper. Front tire size 120/70x15. Rear tire size 190/55x17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 42 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £180. New price £15,502. Used price. Insurance group. How much to insure? Warranty term 2 years. Top speed and performance. Max power 113 brake horsepower. Max torque 64.6 ft-lb. Top speed 135 miles per hour. A quarter-mile acceleration. Tank range 180 miles.